Reagan, say cheese. Reagan. Cheese.
I wish we went that way, but there's no going that way.
Just going down the trail.
We're doing it. Stay up for the stop.
Reagan, don't say that. Watch out for these thorns. Look at that pond down there.
I can see it.
See that orange? That's a pond.
Yeah, I see it.
Let's go.
I'm about to start this thing in oil already.
Dang it, thorns.
You best be careful, dude.
Ow. That held me back up.
What? I don't have a hold of you. You gotta wait till I got a grip. Barely had your fingertip.
So fast.
Look at that.
No, wind is so hot today.
You're dirty on your back.
Making a video down the hole.
Don't be bit by a tarantula doing that.
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
You're fine.
What are you doing?
Going down to the pond.
Yeah, you might want to pay attention where you're walking though, not your phone. Where you're not really going to want you going down the hill.
Reagan, stay up there. Reagan.
It would really fucking hurt to fall down that thing.
Guys, look at this pond. That over there, right there, that's all. That's, what is that? Oh, it's just my grandpa's truck. Look at that. That's the road right there. Look at this. All that right there is a pond. I'm gonna go back up now. Ah, crap. I'm coming back up. Huh?
I see something that's really weird.
Yeah.
Look at that tree. Look, this is the top of it. You see it?
Oh, that's weird.
It grows up and around and over.
Oh, that's crazy.
Right? You think it's something that snaps off, but it's attached to the rest of that tree down there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Like, what in the hell is it thinking growing that way?
I know, like.
Shoes untied again, bro.
Okay. Here, you hold the camera.
Is it recording?
Yes.
No, it's not. Oh, it is. Your shoe's untied again.
My shoe?
No, your brother's shoe.
What?
Stop. Hey, I don't want. Get me off your videos, bro. Stop.
Okay.
You ain't putting that one online now.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You don't want some dude smoking cigarettes on your video, Goofy?
You're not supposed to.
I'm going this way.
It's a dead end. There's nothing that way.
Okay, no,
Let's at least go.
I
I'm still gonna be recording while we.
you remember that we found the bone right on this place?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Die. heart.
Like, hey, don't go up there. That's somebody's doo-doo paper. Why do you want to go into somebody's bathroom up there?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll get the four-wheeler turned around. Reagan, get on. Get on. Scoot up.
You're not good.
It's fine.
You run the gas pedal off kick.
Okay, let's go to that hole. Echo hole. Let's go to the echo
I
hole.
don't have my shoes on. Y'all can go over there and do it. I'll wait for you right out by the road.
Put that road in the way. Over there. Hey Dad, pretend that was 100 trees up in the sky. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Whenever we get home, I'm gonna watch this video. Oh, by the way, it's still going. 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes. I want to see. Yeah, I want to see him. Oh, I got help, kid. Yeah. Okay, now it's the scary place again. Where the scary spider is. Okay, now this is big grass.
You like, and I'm standing right over here.
You want to come with me,
There's a really, really cool thing over there, but
Reagan? Because I'm not going alone.
way
So,
up in the deep ass grass.
you coming with
I
me?
can see y'all from where you go to. I can see y'all from here.
Okay.
Just don't go anywhere past it.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the hole.
I know. Don't go anywhere past it.
Oh, okay. Reagan, let's go. You coming with me? Okay.
Stay together and don't run. Just go to the thing and come back.
Okay. Let's go to the hole.
At the big thing.
We're going to the hole.
Thing.
We're going to a hole. Can you see the hole from there? It's fine. I'm here with you.
It's kind of sad with you not coming, Daddy.
It's fine.
Kind of sad. There's stickers out here.
You're fine. You might get a little bit of stick tights, but you're okay. Hey, Reagan. Dog. So much stick ties in my shoe. I'm pretty sure this is the way
I'm literally getting out of here.
I haven't been here in a while. So I've not been here in a year since school. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Okay. We're gonna make fun of Dad. Okay, this part's even creepy.
Let's go this way. Other way, that way, through there. This way. Around here. See that hole right there?
Yeah.
Do this. Listen. Woo! 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 Do it. Here, now let me do it. Woo! Woo! Do that. Woo! 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 Okay, let's go back. Reagan, let's go. I'm going back home. I'm heading back to Dad.
I don't remember.
This way. I know the way back home. Reagan, the way back to Dad. This way. For that leg wrapping. I want to get out of here. Oh, there could be a hog. Something out here. Could be a hog, a baby hog, a snake. There are no wolves or bears out here. Okay, let's go. Heading back. I have stick tights all over me.
You get the stick ties too, little bro?
Nope.
How did you not get them?
Here, hold this
Well,
camera.
I got some stickers right on my shoe. They're literally right on my shoe.
Might be a good time to, put an end to this here video, but